Question 18 is about dog food, and you can see that you can buy 6 tins of dog food for £3 or 4 tins of dog food for £1.80, and we need to see which one of those is the better value. So I'm going to do here £3 divided by 6, see how much it is per tin, and I can use my bus stop for that. Okay, how many 6s are there in 3? Well, there's not, so I need to carry that 3 over, making sure my decimal point is in the right place. How many 6s are there in 30? There's 5, because 5 times 6 is 30. How many 6s is in 0? 0. So here, the dog food is 50p a tin. And here I've got 4 tins for £1.80, so I need to do £1.80 divided by 4 to see how much it is per tin. How many 4s are there in 1? Well, there's 0. Decimal point must go in the right place, and I've carried that 1 over. How many 4s are there in 18? There's 4, because 4 4s are 16. I've got 2 carried over, my remainder. How many 4s are there in 20? There's 5. So here the dog food is 45p a tin. So this one is better value, it's cheaper. And this one had some random figures in when I printed it off, but a way of paying for swimming is to pay a yearly fee of £22, and then you pay £1.40 each time you go swimming. So if you don't go at all, then it costs you £22, because that's the flat rate that you pay. If you go 10 times on top of that, then you're paying £22 plus £1.40 multiplied by 10, because it's £1.40 for each of the 10 times that you go swimming. So let's see how much it will cost if you go swimming 20 times. Well, you've got to pay the £22, and then it is 20 multiplied by £1.40. Well, I could do that as a calculation, but actually I can see from here, I know here that the difference between 22 and 36 is 14. So for every 10 swims is £14. And that's right, because that would be £1.40 multiplied by 10. So I actually don't need to do this quite long complication here. I just add on another £14. So I've got £36 plus 14. 6 and 4 is 10, and then that's one. So 50 swims is going to cost me £50. Sorry, 20 swims is going to cost me £50, and 30 swims is another 10 swims again. So now I've got my 50, and I'm going to add on 14, 4, and that would be £64.